Hello children, Sai Ram, myself Manisha Miss. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. You must be playing and enjoying with your parents, right? Okay, let's learn something today. What is displayed on your screen is the cover page of your EVS textbook. Okay, this is how your EVS textbook is. Now this is the content, that means the lessons which you are going to have in EVS is displayed on the screen. Now this EVS is divided into two parts, EVS 1 and EVS 2. EVS 1 is science and EVS 2 is geography and civics. EVS 1 is science and EVS 2 is geography and civics. Okay. Now, before going to the topic, we will learn new words. Directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions. District. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T. District. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T. District. State. S-T-A-T-E. State. S-T-A-T-E. State. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Taluka. T-A-L-U-K-A. Taluka. T-A-L-U-K-A. Taluka. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Continent. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T. Continent. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T. Continent. World. W-O-R-L-D. World. W-O-R-L-D. World. Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Maharashtra. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. Maharashtra. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. Maharashtra. Index. I-N-D-E-X. Index. I-N-D-E-X. Index. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Arabian Sea. A-R-A-B-I-A-N-S-E-A. Arabian Sea. A-R-A-B-I-A-N-S-E-A. Arabian Sea. Andaman Nicobar. A-N-D-A-M-A-N. Andaman. N-I-C-O-B-A-R. Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar. A-N-D-A-M-A-N. Andaman. N-I-C-O-B-A-R. Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. Lakshadweep. L-A-K-S-H-A-D-W-E-E-P. Lakshadweep. L-A-K-S-H-A-D-W-E-E-P. Lakshadweep. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E. Europe. Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. Atlantic Ocean. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C. Atlantic. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C. O-C-E-A-N. Atlantic Ocean. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. Australia. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. Antarctica. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A. Antarctica. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A. Antarctica. North America. N-O-R-T-H. North. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. That is North America. N-O-R-T-H. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. North America. South America. S-O-U-T-H. South. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. South America. S-O-U-T-H. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. South America. Indian Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Indian Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N. O-C-E-A-N. Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. That is Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Arctic Ocean. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Okay. So these are the new words, children. You are supposed to learn these words properly to avoid spelling mistakes in the exam. Okay. And you are supposed to write 3 times in your notebook. Now, before we go to the topic, I would like to ask you a question. If somebody asks you a way to the hospital nearby your area, how will you guide him? Yes? You will tell him first go straight, then you go to the left or go to the right. No, in this way only you will say yes or no. That means what? You are showing him direction. Yes, you are showing him directions. Understood? Yes. Now just tell me what you can see on the screen. Yes? Yes, these are maps. Correct. So, can you guess what is today's topic is, children? Very good. So, today we are going to learn lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. We are going to learn lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. Very good. Now, a picture is displayed on your screen, correct? Yes, you can see 2 children are standing there and they are facing each other, right? I'm going to ask you a few questions. Now, on which side of them is the blackboard? Yes, the girl will answer. Yes, what she will answer? She will answer to her left side is the blackboard and the boy will answer to my right side is the blackboard. Okay, now that means what? Their answers are different. Okay, yes. I will ask you one more question. You can see bag there, children. Yes. Now, on which side of the bag the girl will answer? The bag is behind me and the boy will answer the bag is in front of me. So that means this time also we are getting different answers. Okay, that means it is difficult to find out the location of the anything or any place. Correct? So in this case, we need to use directions to find out the exact location of an object or any place. Understood? Now, children, you can see the picture. Now, in this picture, teacher has written directions on the wall. Can you see this? Now, I am going to ask you questions. We will see this time the answers are same or different. Okay? Yes. Now, I will ask them, Yes, before that, what you can see on the picture, how the children are standing, they are facing each other, right? Yes. Okay, so now this time I will ask, on which side of you is the blackboard? Yes, just think. Yes, now all will answer the blackboard is on the west. Very good. Okay, that means everyone's answer is same this time, correct? Yes. Now the second question. On which side is the main door, children? Yes, correct. The main door is on the north. Very good. Now this time also the answers are same from everyone. Yes. Now on which side is the notice board? Yes, very good. Notice board is on the east. Correct. That means what? We should know or we should use the directions to find out the exact location of an object. Clear? Understood what are directions? Yes, very good. Now see, there are four main directions. What are those? The four main directions are east, west, north and south. Okay, you can see there it's written. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. The direction in which the sun rises is east. This everybody knows. Okay. The direction in which the sun rises is east. Very good. Now, the direction in which the sun sets is west. Yes, this also everybody knows. The direction in which the sun sets is west. Very good. Now, east and west are opposite to each other. You can see it's written there in the picture. East and west are opposite to each other. Very good. Now, if we stand facing east, as you can see in the picture, the boy is standing facing east. Okay. The west is behind us. Yes, the west is behind us. And at that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Okay. I repeat, if we stand facing east, the west is behind us. Okay, and at that time the north is to our left side and the south is to our right side. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, use of directions in maps. How to read a map. Okay, so in a map directions are always shown. You can see in the picture, the left corner, you can see the arrows shown upward in upward direction, that is N. That means it shows north direction. Opposite to north is south, right side is east and the left is west. Okay, so in a map directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing always north. Okay, upper side is north. Understood, children? See once again, in a map directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. Opposite to the north is south, right is east and the left is west. Okay. The directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. Suppose we need to read a map, then the directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground. You can see the picture. This girl is matching the directions to her surrounding. Yes, that east is matching with the surrounding of her own surrounding. Okay, that means east is matching to the east, so that we can read a map carefully. Understood? Now, for example, see, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surrounding. So, you can tell the directions of the places shown on a map. Clear? Yes, very good. Now, what you can see on the screen is this instrument is called as compass. Okay? See children carefully. This instrument is called as compass. Now, what is the use of this? The compass is used for location and direction. people use it to find their way, whether it is on a hiking trail or on a trip to a new location. Sometimes we go for a picnic and suppose we lost our way, then we can find out with the help of this compass. Okay. The magnetic needle, children, you can see the magnetic needle in the compass that always lies in the north and south direction. Okay, this magnetic needle in a compass that always lies in the north and south direction. That means it is clear that the remaining two sides are east and west. Okay, we can easily make out east and west, and like that we can find our direction. Okay, we can find out the way where to go. Clear? Yes. Now children, the remaining lesson we are going to learn in the next part, that is part 2. Till then, thank you.